guys, welcome back. Today's video will mark the start of our second build series with a 1997 BMW K1100. So the plan with this bike is that it's going to be quite similar to the CB750, as in it's probably going to end up being a brat or similar to a brat, because it's going to have a slight angle into the seat slash frame to match that line that comes off of the fuel tank. We're going to run the clip-ons, we're going to have a new wiring harness, we're going to have new electronics, new switches, we're going to have a new intake system, we're going to probably run new wheels or maybe spoked wheels, but that's all up to the customer. So without further ado, let me present to you the bike, and let's start shaving some weight and get rid of those ugly fairings. So if you've enjoyed today's video, feel free to subscribe, hit the bell icon, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to drop us any comments in the section below, and we'll see you next time with some more interesting videos. Till then, take care.